Hey everyone! If you're looking for a way to make crispy, delicious meals with less oil and way less mess, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to show you just how easy it is to cook with the Crisp Pro air fryer. Let's start with something quick and simple, like French fries. Slice up the potatoes, skin on or off. It's up to you. First, cook them in some boiling water for about 10 minutes, then they get drained off, and I'll place them in the air fryer. Give them a spray and send them off to cook at 385 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Check these out. Perfectly crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. The next one is my personal favorite, BBQ chicken wings. I'm gonna start by making a delicious coating for my wings. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half a teaspoon of salt, about a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, and add a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Then, hit the coating with the wings. Give them a nice toss. We want them to coat in that mixture of spices and oil. Now, pop them into the air fryer. You want a little bit of space in between each wing, so they fry up evenly and don't steam heat. Cook at 400 Fahrenheit for 16 minutes. After 8 minutes, it's time to flip them. Just turn each of these guys upside down. Once they're all flipped over, cook them again for 8 minutes. 8 minutes later, your wings should look like this. Transfer the wings into a plate and start plating. Spoon some sauce over the top, and just like that, your wings are ready to enjoy. How easy was that? If you want to make cooking faster, healthier, and more fun, the Crisp Pro air fryer is the way to go. It is available now for just $99. Grab yours today and start cooking like a pro. Bon appetit and happy cooking!